Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really great and my camera is moving. Okay, so hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm so excited to be back. Like, I have not posted any video in 2 weeks because there was like a couple of things going on. My husband was traveling to US and we were moving from one apartment to the other, and in the meantime I had to travel to my mother's place, my parents' place, because they had Griha Pravesh. So I was there at my parents' place for that. So and I missed you guys so much. I missed YouTube so much. I know I'm back now and I'm back full on. I'll be posting on my regular schedules, which was like on every Tuesday and every Friday, so you will see me every Tuesday and every Friday. Now let's get started with today's video, which is about a liquid lipstick from Color Essence. It's a liquid lipstick from Color Essence. I don't know whether it's new or not. It has been in the market for a while, but I have been personally on a quest of liquid lipsticks because in India we do not have a lot of brands who make liquid lipsticks. Like, we have glosses, all the brands make glosses, but matte liquid lipsticks, I don't think there are much options available. It's usually international brands that have liquid lipsticks and they are pretty expensive. So this is a liquid lipstick from Color Essence and it retails for 350 rupees, and it comes in a packaging like this. It's in here. Let me just show you. It's in here like that, and you have to just open it up and you get the bottle. I love it. Like, look at it, how sleek it is. You can just slip it in your handbag, and it's so travel friendly. It's so beautiful in the first place. Look at this. Like, it doesn't look like a lipstick. So basically, I really love the packaging of it. And let's see what it claims on the packaging. It says it's a pure color pigment. It is long lasting and non-sticky formula. Totally agree with that. Not on the long lasting part, I'm not sure about that, but yeah, non-sticky formula 101%. And it says it's how to use. It says use a wand to apply lip gloss. It should be lipstick, starting in the center of your upper lip and working towards outer edges, following the contour of your mouth. And the active ingredients are vitamin E, jojoba oil and almond oil, and it has a shelf life of 36 months. And I've already told you it retails for 350 rupees. I got this from Amazon.com, so I got it at a much cheaper price. I think it was 254 rupees plus shipping, which was like 80 rupees. So it was 315 or 320, around about that I got this lipstick from. Let's see how it turns out to be on my lips. I forgot to tell you guys, this is in the shade, what shade it is? I think it's peppy orange or something like that. It's candy orange. It's LLC1 candy orange. That's the shade name. So yeah, let's try it on our lips. So it looks like this on my lips. It's a bright orange, and I've wore this once to office and I got so many compliments on the color because it just lifts up the entire face, and it glides really easily on your lips, like really well. And the one, I don't know, it's not that sturdy. It moves a bit, so it's really like, you have to control it at the outer edges because it's really pigmented. Like, see, that is how it is on my hand, and if I try to rub it off, it's not going to go anywhere. It's very pigmented, so be very careful when you're applying this lip color. If you mess it up, you are messed up. Okay, so this is how the color looks on my hand. This is how the color looks on my face. I really love the color. They also have like 5-6 colors more. I think it's fuchsia pink and bright pink and red and light orange, something of those sorts. I'll link them all down in the bottom bars for you guys to check out. Yeah, so talking about the texture and everything of it, like, it's really smooth to apply. As you can see, it really glided well on my lips. It does transfer a lot, like seriously a lot. That day when I was wearing it to work, I was eating oats with a white plastic spoon, and every time I used to take the spoon out of my mouth, the lip color used to be on the edges of the spoon. So I'll show you in a minute how much it like let it dry for 2 minutes. Let it just dry for 2 minutes, and then we'll see how much it gets transferred. Though I was like wearing it for 5 to 6 hours, and the color was still there, the moisturization was still there, though it got a lot of it got transferred, and still the color was still there. So the color payoff is really good. It is like really hydrating, but at the same time it is really matte. So if you have chapped lips, then please exfoliate it first and then only apply it, because otherwise it will be like all your cracks will show up and it won't look nice at all. So yeah, exfoliate your lips before applying it, because it is super matte. And yeah, that's about this lip color. And final verdict about this lip color is like, for the price point, it is a big thumbs up. For the color payoff, it is a big thumbs up. And the hydration, it is okay. It's not like, I wouldn't say that it is really amazing, but it's okay. It keeps your lips hydrated, but at the same time you will feel a bit drying as well, if that makes sense, because I'm not able to explain it. Like, it's matte, so obviously it feels a bit drying, but at the same time you will not feel that your lips are like just squeeze, all the moisture from your lips is just gone, and you will not feel that way. It's hydrating as well as drying, if that makes sense. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. I think it has been sitting on my lips for quite decent time. Let's see how much it gets transferred. Look at that. It got transferred a lot, and every time I see the color on my hand, the song Gerua and the comedy nights with Kapil, the Gerua special, it just comes to my mind. I don't know why. It looks similar to that, like Gerua is this. So it comes to my mind. I don't know. So this is how much it got transferred on my hand. So you can imagine how much it will get transferred to the drinks that you have or whatever you eat, though the color is still there. Yeah, so that was it about this liquid lipstick from Color Essence. I like this color. Yeah, I got so many compliments that day when I was wearing it to office. Yeah, so let's not get off the track. I love this lip color, from the price point, from the color payoff, from the moisturization that it provides, and the matte effect that it has. Like, everything is thumbs up. I think from the price point, anybody can just try it out, because they're really affordable, and you don't have to spend a lot on international brands, because this is like a drugstore Indian brand, and it is really affordable. You can buy it from Amazon. Everything will be in the bottom bar below for you guys to check it out. And yeah, that's it about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to comment anything that you like or didn't like about this video in the bottom bar below, and any suggestions for me, just jot it down in the comment section below. Please hit like if you really like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Yeah, till then, I'll see you next time. Bye.